My name is Mona Lisa Volante, 35 years old, single from Philippines. I worked before in Saudi for 4 years under one employer. I can clean the house, wash and iron clothes. I can cook kabsa, malukia, biryani, warangenag, shawarma, chicken oven, kebab, shurba, macaronia. I can bake cake, fatar, and pizza. I can make salata, Arabic coffee, and tea. I'm expecting my 1,700 dirham, my monthly salary. I'm aware that I had no day off with 2 years contract, and I will able to use cell phone after all my work is finished. Thank you.